Welcome to Hope Screen. And if you want to get back archive stories on Instagram, first open up the Instagram application into your device. And now from here, just simply select the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and you should be redirected to your profile. Now here, go for the three lines on the top right and now go for the archive over here. Now here on the archive, you should be able to see stories archive. If you don't have the stories archive, you can just simply select the words at the top and you should be able to have multiple archives over here. So make sure to select stories archive. And if you don't have your stories over here, just make sure to select the three dots on the top right corner. And you should be able to see here settings. So now here on the settings, guys, just make sure to save the story to archive. So every time you post a photo or videos on your story, it will be automatically stored in the archive. So I recommend turning this on so you will have a backlog of your activity on what you have posted. And now from here, if you want to repost a specific story, you could just simply go ahead, of course, select them. And from here, you could just simply select share at the bottom, as you can see. And automatically, there will be a date for the memories. And from here, you could just simply repost it by going to your story over here and posting it. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See ya.